Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you Tindora fry recipe. That's an excellent dry sabzi. It is also a good option for your lunchbox. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make Tindora potato fry. In a wok, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. The cast iron kadhai definitely enhances the taste of this sabzi. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 string of curry leaves and some hing. As this tempering starts to fry well, add about a teaspoon of ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Fry everything really well for few seconds. Now add 1 medium potato and I have cut it into small cubes like these. About 200 grams of IV gourd and I have cut them into circular shape. Saute the vegetables really well for few seconds. Start adding the spices: half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kitchen King Masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder and some salt to taste. Give everything a really good mix. Turn the flame to medium. We are going to cover and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, let's open and check. The vegetables have become a little soft, so give it a good stir. Notice that some of them have kind of charred at the bottom, and that's exactly what we want. The charred ones taste super delicious because of the cast iron flavor. Now cover and cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, let's open and give it a good stir. The Tindora fry recipe is ready. Switch off the flame and garnish with some coriander leaves. With these easy steps to follow, the Tindora fry recipe comes out great every time. Definitely give it a try. If you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.